Hello, everyone. Welcome back into the Fairbanks Evening News. Mike Schultz with you once again. Hope you had yourself a great Christmas. It was sure nice to see the 4 or 5 inches of snow that we got. And guess what? We're not through yet. Maybe a little bit more coming our way. I'll show you that in just a little bit. Photograph night sent in by Bill Brophy. He was able to capture a snow rainbow. As you can see here, the sun shining through the ice crystals, the snowflakes, developing a nice rainbow effect there. And as always, if you have a photograph you want to share, by all means send it to photos@ktvf11.com, and we'll be more than happy to share it with the rest of the audience. Here's your numbers right now: 21 degrees after a high of 22. The low last night 15, record high 42 2001, 56 below in 1961, and our sunrise and sunset 3 hours and 46 minutes, a gain of a minute 29 from yesterday. And our satellite radar looks like this. As you can see, everything moving gradually from the west to the east, and still a little more moisture to move across us. This little band moving across right now as we speak. A little bit of a break, and then maybe some more clouds and moisture moving in by Sunday, the way it looks right now. But warm temperatures are on the horizon. We'll talk more about that in a little bit. Our latest radar, as we zoom in around the Fairbanks area, a little band of snow shower activity moving through as we speak. And that'll be here for another hour or two. Then after that, we'll just kind of break off and just go into mainly snow shower activity, but no real accumulation after that. But maybe an inch or two is possible before the night's out. All right, across the rest of the state, the rains have stopped over southeast Alaska. Temperatures slowly starting to warm up into the low 40s around Ketchikan. Over Anchorage, mainly partly cloudy skies, 37 degrees there along the Aleutian Chain, 40 degrees at Cold Bay. Up and down the west coast, it's looking pretty good. Although kind of chilly at Nome, 11 degrees below zero as it is at Barrow, and Fort Yukon, 7 above. All right, lower 48 weather, we'll head on down there and see what's going on. The rains have returned over the Pacific Northwest. It's raining in Seattle now as we speak. As you move inland, you get back to more rain over Texas, and then snow developing across the Minneapolis and maybe around South Dakota, North Dakota areas. Also rain continuing to fall across the deep south. Now it all shows up pretty good on the satellite and radar. The pink indicating where the frozen precipitation is, the blue of course where the rain is falling, and a pretty good boundary you can see right about here developed, and more activity moving across the Pacific Northwest with another storm coming in there. The overall outlook for the jet stream is really wild. It's going way over into Canada, then swinging right back on the west coast, and then roaring back across the eastern half of the country. And all this is bringing a lot of cold air in from Canada and focusing it across much of the Rocky Mountain region. Well, back to Alaska for tomorrow. Here's what it looks like. And as you can see in the northern sections, cloudy to mostly cloudy skies for Barrow and Nome. Snow showers expected in the Fort Yukon area. Here in the interior, we'll be looking at, for the most part, periods of light snow for Fairbanks and Haiti, and cloudy skies at Delta Junction. Over the southeastern sections, partly cloudy in Juneau, rain and snow at Ketchikan, while over the southwest part of the state, we'll be looking at rain in Cold Bay and rain and snow at Bethel, with mostly sunny skies for Kodiak Island. And if you're heading down the Anchorage area, well, it looks like partly cloudy skies at Anchorage and sunny skies for Homer and Valdez. Okay, time once again for our weather facts for tonight, and we will take you to the year of 1776, when George Washington crossed the Delaware River, surprising the British, and the rest is history, as they so say. Again, thanks to Mount McKinley Bank for sponsoring our kids' weather. And speaking of the kids, they're off on vacation until the 6th of January. When they come back, we'll be visiting with the kids from Pearl Creek Elementary School. It's a Friday night, time for our Winter Trails Report. Lots of fresh new snow for you to go shushing down those slopes. Unfortunately, Skiland will not be opening tomorrow, and great opportunities for all you snow machiners, but be very cautious because there are a lot of avalanche potentials out there, so keep that in mind, and cross-country trails should be fantastic. Here's your forecast for the remainder of the night. Snow showers, maybe another inch or 2 inches possible, and the overnight low about 3 degrees below zero. Tomorrow's forecast 3 above, with light snow diminishing and slowly warming, but by Sunday, it's a massive warm up. As you can see, 25 degrees on Sunday, 26 on Monday, and Tuesday also 25 degrees, with temperatures continuing in the teens, and overnight lows will also be way above normal for this time of year. Looking at overnight lows, 12 above to 10 above. Unheard of this time of year.